Hi everyone, Johnny I from Operation BBQ Relief here, and I'm going to show you today how to make a seafood cioppino using our cast iron skillet right on your grill outside. This is a great dish, very full flavored, celebrating all the fresh seafood, and very simple to prepare on your grill. So we're going to start with some white fish. Today I'm using some filet of sole. And what I'm going to do is place that in the center of my cast iron skillet. Then I have some fresh cherry stone clams. I'm going to place those in the skillet. And what I like about this dish is you just prepare everything in the skillet, put it on the grill, and then after it finishes cooking, you can take it out, serve it right in your cast iron pan, and you're ready to eat. To that, we're going to add some mussels. And again, I'm just kind of spreading the seafood out. And then I have some fresh scallops. And then last but not least, fresh shrimp. Now we have to season. So I like to cook my cioppino, again, which is basically a seafood stew. So we're going to need to add a little bit of fresh herb. And here I have some fresh thyme. So I'm going to put a few sprigs of fresh thyme in with the seafood. Goes very nicely. We have some fresh oregano, which again I think is going to add again to the flavor of that seafood. We're also going to take some fresh basil, and what I like to do with the basil is I like to tear it up, and you'll see this will help season the dish. Then I'm going to take some white wine. Now this is going to help steam the dish and help cook all the seafood. Then I have a prepared tomato sauce that I've cooked, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drape this all over the seafood. So here's our seafood cioppino ready to be cooked on the grill. Now you see there's quite a bit of liquid in the bottom thanks to the white wine and the tomato sauce. So what you're going to want to do now is cover it with some aluminum foil. And be sure to get the aluminum foil nice and tight. Because now the seafood is going to steam inside. So now I'm going to put this on the grill and we're going to let it cook. We'll come back in a few minutes. The grill is set very, very high. I have it set at 500 degrees. So all the burners are up on high, and this is going to get a nice quick cook. And we're ready to start. Again, important that you keep the grill lid closed so it maintains that heat. Now, the seafood is going to be cooking. It'll probably take about 10 minutes, 15 minutes maximum to finish cooking. You'll know it's done when the shellfish opens up. Now I also have some sliced bread that we're going to toast and serve with the cioppino as well. Traditionally you use that bread to kind of soak up some of that sauce, and we'll just give it a little time to cook. I'll put the bread on right before we pull off the seafood, and we're going to have a great meal. Let's take a peek at our seafood and see how it's cooking. Okay, it's boiling nice. boiling nice and the shellfish are starting to open. So now that's my sign to start grilling our bread. So I'm going to take our bread and I'm just going to drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil on it. This will help it get golden brown and give it a nice flavor. And I'm going to place it on the grill. Now you want to keep an eye on your bread because since the grill is so hot, you want to make sure the bread doesn't burn. And our bread is ready. We'll just leave this here until our cioppino is done. And I think we're close. Okay, the aroma coming from this cast iron pan is absolutely heavenly. Oh, look at that steam. All the seafood is open. All the shellfish, our fish are cooked, our scallops are cooked, our shrimp are cooked. Everything looks fantastic. I'm just going to arrange the seafood a little because it shifted while it was cooking. Oh, this aroma is incredible. And now to finish this dish, we want to add a little bit more of the fresh herb on top, the fresh thyme and fresh oregano, because that'll start to give off some great aroma. I'm going to season it slightly with some sea salt. And then I'm going to take our 2 pieces of toast. And I'm just going to insert them off to the side there. And there we have it. Seafood cioppino. Ready to serve. Smells fantastic. And done all right outside on our grill. Enjoy this recipe.